Hey guys, it's Rachel, Pappy, your favorite tax attorney, coming to you to share a video of something I just realized. So next Monday is April 15th. Tax returns are due. If you don't have your tax return ready next Monday, I'm going to be talking about that on Fox on the live segment next Monday, April 15th. We don't always pre-prepare what we're going to be talking about. Sometimes it's just whatever's going on in the news, but because it's tax deadline day, we decided we're going to be talking about what to do if you don't have your 1040 ready to file. Well, if you don't, you actually file this form, a form 4868, and sometimes there can be changes to the form, so I printed it out today to take a look, and I file an extension myself for my own tax return. But when you send in this form, you also have to send in a check with it with an estimate of what you might owe. So I thought I would take a look at the instructions to see if they may have changed on how to fill in the extension of time to file application, and saw that on this form, in their instructions, as created by the IRS, this is just a classic IRS thing to do, they ask you to input on line 4 of the application to ask for additional time to file your 1040. They ask you to input the information from line 15 of your 1040. Here's the 1040 that you're saying you don't have. This is the new 1040 for 2018, but you're saying I don't have time. I don't have it ready yet. And since you don't have it ready, you won't know what's on line 15, which is why you're filing this form, the extension of time to file. And then also, for not to be confusing, this is the extension of time to file. These are the instructions. On line 5 of the instructions, they say enter what you have on line 18 of the 1040. So on the instructions for the form that you're asking the IRS, can I have 6 more months to file my form 1040 because it's not ready yet? They ask you to enter the amounts you have listed on your 1040 that's not ready in order to complete the form to ask the IRS for additional time to file. There's actually another way to get this form completed, even though their instructions are horrible, and I'll be talking about how to get this application of extension of time to file completed properly on my segment on Monday. I just had to point that out to you when I realized what the actual instructions say and point out this is a classic IRS thing to do. Thanks guys, see you Monday.